on my way to work, and I wanted to share my personal take on the LadyBoss Personal Results Coaching Program. And if any of y'all are on the fence, when the next wave of coaches gets available, hopefully this video does something to, change your mindset on it. Yeah, I know it's expensive, but God, it is so worth it. So, when I was at LadyBoss Live and they announced personal results coaching, I was brought to tears. I was moved to tears because I knew that this is something that I knew that I needed. I have a really bad habit of doing really, really well and then falling off, and then doing really well and falling off. So I stay at the same weight because I can lose 5 pounds in whatever 2 weeks, whatever it may be. I don't know, I don't get on the scale anymore. And then for 1 week I just stop caring. And I'm getting at the root of that. Coach Jessica's been a freaking godsend. She's helping me break through different things that I never thought I could do. Not just in my health and fitness journey, but my real life. I can't explain what she's having me do in my real life. I'm sending her pictures of my bed being made in the mornings because I'm building habits in my everyday life as well as building habits in my health and fitness journey. And in my mental stability too, she's taught me to be patient and to trust. And because of that, I didn't leave my job that I was so close to leaving because I was not getting paid enough. My hours were terrible. I was working 6 days a week and I still was living paycheck to paycheck. And, Coach Jessica's teaching me patience and trust in the process. And because of that, guys, I got a promotion. And I'm still at my job and I got a promotion. And honestly, I have to thank Coach Jessica for teaching me to trust the process. And not just in my health and fitness, but in everyday life. So now I work normal hours and better pay, and it's gonna change my life for the better. And I'm really excited for it. Right now I'm on the way to work. So that didn't happen 2 weeks ago. I was either getting ready for the gym right now or still in bed. So, whenever you have that expert accountability and you're supposed to be the one that's oh, I don't want to let myself down. I don't want to let myself down whenever I eat this cookie, or I don't want to let myself down when I don't go to the gym. But whenever you have that extra accountability, it turns into, oh, I don't want to let Coach Jessica down. And I've told her that, and she's you're not letting me down. Stop saying that. And but in the back of my head, I am. So, as a matter of fact, yesterday we were talking, and here's the best thing about these coaches, right, is you can talk every day. We talk every day. So if you really need an extra push that day, you got it. You got your push. She's right there. And we were talking yesterday because my friend is having his birthday party this Friday at a sushi bar, and I was I have no idea what to do here. I want to stay on track. My cheat meal's on Sunday. I'm getting Italian food. I'm gonna just completely 100% cheat on Sunday for my Sunday night dinner with my dad. It's gonna be great. I don't know what to do here though, because there's gonna be drinks, there's gonna be sushi, only sushi. And so she walked me through what my dinner should look like, and all of the subs and all this other stuff. And it was just that's what I needed, because it's now Thursday. the dinner is tomorrow, and I don't have to, like, worry about it. I don't have to get anxiety about it. And that's just, like, one example as to, like, what she's done to, like, completely change my outlook on things. And so, like, guys, it's become more of, like, a light bulb moment, like, that I could check in with my coach, than anything else. Like, I could check in and say, hey, is this good? Like, my dad was making soup the other day, and I was like, hey, can I have beef barley soup? Like, is that on plan? And she explained to me, not only that it was on plan, why it was on plan. So I can have those building blocks for the next time that I have that question. So, guys, if you guys have any sort of reservation to getting a coach, and whenever, you know, I don't know when that's going to happen. So, because I don't work with support, I don't work with the coaches, I don't know when that's going to happen. But I can only imagine that they're not going to leave y'all hanging for much longer. If you can get a coach, if you can afford it, there shouldn't even be a thought to it. Because, guys, it's just been the most life-changing couple of months. I have broken through plateaus. I have made PRs at the gym. Like, and my whole mindset's just completely changed. Like, bringing a dinner to a family dinner, a family function, doesn't give me anxiety anymore. And it doesn't make me feel bad about wanting to bring this salad instead of having the chicken wings, because, like, I'm laser focused. And honestly, before Coach Jessica, I totally would have just eaten the chicken wings, because I didn't want to bring something that wasn't at the family dinner, because I feel like that is, like, taboo or, like, rude or whatever it may be. Like, at this point, like, this is for me. Like, I'm not doing anything. Why did that happen? I'm not doing anything for anyone else. Like, I'm doing this for myself. I'm doing this to, you know, be good and change my life. So I'm not doing this to, like, make anyone else feel good about it. So, and it's just, there's just things in your mind that switch, and, like, light bulb moments happen. And if you can afford one, if you want one, if you think that this is something that you need, go for it, because it'll change every part of your life. So I hope this helps. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you around on, like, a little bit. I gotta go to work though. I'm about to pull into work, so love you guys.